right, so here we are again at the curve spot. Hey guys, I just wanted to pop on and let you know that I hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm at 1,038 to be exact. Yes, I'm super psyched. Thank you for joining my journey. And listen, if you're new to the channel, please, let's connect below in the comments. I love hearing your stories. I love going on your channel, subscribing to you, and following your journey as well. I really think YouTube is a massive opportunity for older skateboarders, younger skateboarders, new to skateboarders alike, to connect and create a really great sense of community, because skateboarding's hard. And let's face it, when you got a little, support from your peers, it just makes things so much better. And, I want progression, you want progression, let's do it together. So this week I was a little burnt out, but I wanted to get a little bit of Slappies because I love going to these curves. And I wanted to make sure also that the front side Slappy wasn't a fluke. I got some, they weren't amazing, but it's definitely a work in progress, and it's fun to go out and practice. So, comment down below what kind of angles you'd like to see. I wanted to give you the point of view just because I want you to see what I see when I approach the curb. And plus, I'll be honest, I got a little lazy because I was a little burnt this week. I'm still trying to find a balance between skateboarding and my exercise routine, because my exercise routine is kicking my butt, and sometimes it affects how much energy I have left for skateboarding. So I'm still trying to find that happy medium. But in any regard, I'm really happy to have you along on this journey, and I'm really stoked to follow along on your journeys as well. And if you know any skateboarder that that needs to get back into skateboarding, needs a little kick in the butt and incentive, please share this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much for joining me. And until next time, keep shredding, and we'll see you soon.